friends, this is Third Thursday Thrift Flip, and our host is the Rustic Willow and Marika's Creations. Please check out their channel in my description box and a playlist of all the other amazing creators. Today I will be making 2 thrift flips of things that I found at the Goodwill, and which it all totaled $2. It totaled under $2. It was like $1 and a quarter for what I found. And if you haven't, remember it's free to subscribe if you enjoy my video. Okay, I found this at the Goodwill for a quarter, which it's originally from Hobby Lobby because I've seen them there. And the next item, I found it at the Goodwill, but I had one in my stash, so I just came home and I'm going to use it. They had this at the Goodwill for $1.99. I've had this in my craft stash for 2 years. So we're going to use our Goodwill item and our bunny because I did find one at the Goodwill. Okay, we're going to start off by making a tiny little bow for our hat. I'm just making it where it has a center, and that pipe cleaner's covered up. Let's see what side we like the front of our hat. I think I like this side. Okay, now I'm going to add a carrot on our hat, I think. Unless I can find some flowers that would work. Okay, I might add this one, this little flower here. in the center. Okay, there's the hat. Then I'm gonna work on it with a bunch of carrots. Just going to take this ribbon and divide it in half. And this is cold glue, y'all, so I'm not too worried about getting burnt because the glue is not hot, real hot to the touch, so that's why I don't use finger protector, because this is a cold glue. We're going to take our tag off because our bunny's not going to be Minnie Pearl. If you remember who she is. Some of you will, some of you won't. If you never heard of Minnie Pearl, let me know in the comments. I'll explain. Okay. We're going to add the hat because she's going to carry her hat because she's going to garden, you know. Every good gardener's got to have their hat. And here is the carrot she just pulled out of her fabulous garden. Is my thrift flip fine. I found this at the Goodwill. If you wanted to, you could probably whitewash it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to just decorate it. I'm gonna first start with using my finger and push down into this styrofoam and make a hole. Then I'll glue those carrots in place. But the reason I'm doing this is because I need the tips down in the styrofoam. You could add a little bird on the edge if you'd like. But I'm going to add one of these bunny butts. I'm going to show you a little trick because this one doesn't have the skewer on it. Take a little piece of a floral, which we have tons of those laying around. Ah, this one's better. And you just glue it on the back side. And use that to put down into your foam. Now we're going to add some ribbon around the container. I'm going to just make a little tiny bow. I'm just wrapping a little pipe cleaner to hold my bow in place. Then I'm going to take this and divide it in half and wrap it around that center. And I cut way too much off, so I just kept wrapping. Dovetail the ends. Dovetail the ends. Make sure your pipe cleaner's covered, which this one's being stubborn. Maybe this side will be, I'll use the other side. Is our, it could either go on, it could either hang on your wall, or you could use this. This would be cute on an entryway table or a mantle. But it also has a door hanger, a hanger in the back, so you could use it on either, really. And I see a little bit of there we go. Okay, here's our little bunny carrot project. First was the carrot centerpiece with the little bunny butt in it. Then our bunny holding her garden hat and her carrots she just harvested out of her garden.